Am I off camera yet?
No.
Not even at all.
No?
No.
Taurus. 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 The bull, stubborn, headstrong, loyal. You also love finances, which is a weird thing to love. Stability. I mean, I'm getting tired talking about you. You know who's some famous Tauruses that I really admire? The Queen, Elizabeth II. Shakespeare, who cares? My period's a Taurus. Loyal, never late, stubborn. Okay, these are bad. My period is so into finance. Finance! I imagine they're in a coffee shop every day just like reading a book on finance, like Freakonomics. I don't know, is that a book on finance? I don't think that's a book on finance. You are very sensual, and very stylish. I dated a Taurus who wore cut-off flared pants, okay? Like not in a cool way. Oh, so good at style. Tauruses are great to have in the office. They are reliable. They're gonna be diplomatic. They're gonna hear you. Have you ever had a Taurus boss? I have, sorry. You know that person in your office who's always kissing your butt? That's you, Taurus. Lay back, okay? We get it, you're so good. You're so good and you're so diplomatic. Maybe be passive aggressive. Maybe let some of us shine. You know what's nice? A reliable partner. And Taurus, that's you. There's nothing more than anyone wants than someone that you know is gonna call you back. You don't even know the verb ghosting. You engage, you're reliable. When you say you're showing up, you show up, and they don't play these games. They're straightforward, reliable. You're reliable. You're reliable. Financially successful, stable. They're what we all dream of in a partner. You are awesome. Now I went overboard the other way. Like I went full tilt. We should all be dating Tauruses. That's the solution to the dating problem. Okay, this is gonna be really weird. You love yum-yums. Sorry. The way to your heart is through your stomach. Ooh, you love a good treat, a salty treat, a sweet treat. If you want to impress your Taurus, give them something delicious. If you want to impress another Taurus and you're a Taurus, feed each other food. Very Lady and the Tramp. That's your kink. Taurus, your kink is finance. Tauruses are very family-oriented. They like a stable life, a routine. When you make a friend, you hold on to them for dear life. You love friends, you respect friends, you're gonna be there for them, you're gonna be reliable. I have said reliable maybe 1,000 times when talking about you, Taurus. They're easy to get along with. They're not gonna ruffle anyone's feathers. You can always trust them. Honestly, have a Taurus best friend. Have a Taurus lover. Do everything you can with Tauruses, because they're not assholes. Sometimes it's hard, Taurus, for you to make friends and be social. You're surrounded by this hardness, which I imagine is just piles of money. It can be hard for people to know the real you. Open up. You gotta realize that it's okay to have fun. I think the key for a Taurus to be not such a Taurus. Do something unexpected. Like treat yourself well. You probably own a house because you're so into finance. Have a vacation. Maybe take a dance class. Maybe play hooky. Skip a day of work. Really enjoy life. Be like the rest of us subpar humans. That's you, Taurus, and you're welcome. You want to know about your crush or your friend or your father or your mother or your daughter or your child or someone, just anyone. Go look up their horoscope on the Chatelaine page. Subscribe! Subscribe! Subscribe!